What's up, guys? Welcome back to where's my keys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing some. We're going to be installing some LED lights to the trunk, the license plate lights. I don't know why I can't speak right now. So we're gonna go ahead and head to AutoZone and buy those. I actually bought some LED lights. I can't speak. Off of Amazon, and you know I got them because I wanted to change the license plates lights on there, because the one I have are that kind of oranges. It came with 6 pair for $12 including shipping, but I had already started the video. Why does this thing keep moving? I had already started the video, and tell me why is I'm installing the lights. I look at it, I'm like, oh shoot, I got the wrong ones. So with that being said, we're gonna go up to AutoZone and buy some LED lights. I don't know if I'm gonna record in there, but I'll probably just show you guys what I bought once I get out of there. I don't even know what sizes they are. I have to search it up. Alright guys, now that we're back from AutoZone, I have the bulbs here. These are the ones that I needed right here. It's 168. I got them in cool white. Okay, so now that we're back, we're gonna go ahead and install these. I'm gonna have to go ahead and return the ones I got from Amazon because they're totally the wrong size. But let's go ahead and install these. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how the amber ones I have on look right now, so you guys can see before and after. Okay, I don't know how good you guys can see. Oh, you can kind of see it. Let me zoom in for you guys a bit. So that's the cutter that I have right now. You guys can pretty see my license plate, but I don't really give a damn. But yeah, you guys see it's like a orangish, reddish, yellowish STD cutter. But that's what we're gonna be changing today. So let's go ahead and get this started. Alright, so now we're in the trunk. Oh, damn, I hit myself. Now we're in the trunk of my car. This installation is pretty easy. Right here, what you guys are looking at, there's actually a screw. You just unscrew, and it should come right up. Like so. Now this part just comes off too, just like so. And this part, after this part, is pretty simple. All you have to do is just pop your finger into here on the side and pop. Do the same with that side, pop, and just work your fingers to the middle, pop, and you can just put them aside, pop, pop, and it should come out. Boom, and just like that, we just, we just removed the, I don't know, I guess it's called, I don't know what that's called, but the plastic part. Alright, so we got the plastic part out. Now let's go to installing the lights. Alright, so now this part is pretty simple. I don't know how good you guys can see that, but this wire right here, it goes down to the back and has this little thing. This part, you just twist it to the left, so twist it this way and not this way. So if we do that, it should pop right out. Alright, so now that we have the LEDs, just these right here, just kind of wiggle it out, and it should pop right out, just like so. Now, out with the old and in with the new. Alright, so now they're in. As you guys can see right there. Alright, there you go. Got this one out. Let's go ahead and throw in the LEDs. Damn, that was a pain. Look at my hand. I don't know how good you guys can see that, but that hurt. Boom, and just like that, let me go ahead and turn on the lights and see if they're turned on. Perfect, look at this. Now this is what I'm talking about. Damn, we're gonna be looking like we're riding on diamonds. Right then, so now we're gonna go ahead and put everything back together piece by piece. And just like that, guys, we're done with this. So let me go ahead and get you guys set up so we can see how it looks. I don't even know how good it looks, man. I mean, honestly, it looks way better than how it was. These are freaking gold. Let me get you guys, oh man, get you guys over there closer. Look at this. As I need that focal, but look, so much better. Now imagine how it's gonna look at night. For sure, it's gonna look way more better at night. Alright guys, and with that being it, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. You know, it's something I've been wanting to do. I think the next video I'm gonna do is gonna be a performance mod. And yeah, you know, that's about it. I have some returning to do. With that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. And I hope you guys enjoyed, like I said. And you know, please do me a favor and subscribe if you guys enjoyed the video and want to see more. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys later. Peace.